You know, I chose Golden View because they had an in-house architect and also design consultant. Both of them were great to work with, along with the whole team from Golden View. My bathroom turned out beautiful. It's like it always has been there. But I know that this project wouldn't have gone so smoothly except for having Carlos here as the project manager. He made sure that all the products were here, that everything was on time, that the team was here doing what they needed to do, and helped walk me through it when I needed that assistance. And I spoke to other contractors working up to this project, but it was a different experience working with Golden View. Golden View came in with several different options with that, and again, they had an architect that completely, blow out that design, provide that design to the city in order to get permits based on that design. Because they had the expertise to guide me to some high-end suppliers for my products. Rubenstein's for my hardware, Bullnose for the tile. So I appreciate them, again, working with me, listening to what I wanted in the outcome of this, and making sure, again, that all products were available before we started this project.
This master bathroom addition is the essence of warmth and elegance, and was designed with a lady comfort and style in mind. I think it's a perfect blend of functionality and luxury. We added a heated floors even inside and even on the bench. Overall, all these little nuances elevates the experience of using these bathrooms to the next level.
They do utilize a lot of good apps within Golden View. One of them, WhatsApp. I think most of us are familiar with that. So it was instant communication with him, whether he was on a project or not. And also that the whole team knew of that communication. And if Carlos wasn't available, someone else could answer to me. We definitely had to work through hiccups. There was times that a product came and it's like, that's not the product that's going to work for us. Again, Carlos was good at getting that return, making sure credit came through, making sure we got whatever replacement we needed. Yeah, communication makes projects work well. The fact that they had all those in-house services, including project management, I definitely would work with them again, and Carlos for sure. So thank you, Carlos and Golden View. I appreciate the project and what you've done for me and my property here.
Great.